Hey guys, Amelia here. Today I'm so excited to show you the makeup tutorial that I'm doing because it's my first one. I have decided to do my everyday makeup, so let's get started. First, I'm going to add some Cetaphil moisturizing lotion to my face.
And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along. Then you came and you cut me loose. Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now
I just added some Mary Kay primer to my beautiful skin.
to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go.
I'll be taking Clinique foundation and mixing it with Mary Kay's Perfecting Concealer. I'm going to use my Perfecting Concealer again. And apply it to areas that I want to cover. Now I'm going to blend this with this and a beauty sponge. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, I can start having a little fun and contouring and highlight. I'm first going to add some Mary Kay powder. It's Ivory 2, just to make sure that it's getting smooth and nice. The bronzer or contour that I use is it's very nice. I'm going to be using this one with XOXO Lisa Frank brush. Highlight time! Yes, highlight time is my favorite. I will be using Pacifica Rainbow Crystals Liquid Mineral Strobe. I really love this highlighter. So shiny. When it's blended in, it's really good.
Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony. We hold me tight and not let go.
I'm using the Tarte blush. It's Quirky is what it's called.
I never thought I'd find this feeling.
love eyeshadow so much. I'm going to do a very natural light eyeshadow because for everyday makeup I don't do that much eyeshadow.
I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. Life was stringing me along.
Now I'm going to use a Superhero It mascara.
Was solo singing on my own. Now I can't find a key without you. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be.
Last but not least, we have lipstick and lip gloss. I will be using NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, beautiful color, and the Floretzi Cosmetics gloss. It looks a lot purplier and pinker than it really is.
Every day you're here, I'm healing. And I was running out of luck. I never thought I'd find this feeling. 'Cause I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence. A rhapsody for you and me. And every melody is timeless. And now your song is on repeat. And I'm dancing on to your heartbeat. And when you're
That concludes my first ever makeup tutorial. If you liked it, please show me by giving me a thumbs up, comment, and please subscribe. I can't wait to be doing more videos with you guys, and thanks so much for watching.